If you're looking for a modern trading platform in 2026, you've probably heard about Primeverse and Protrader. Both offer advanced trading environments, but after testing both platforms, there are some major differences that traders should know before choosing. So in this video, I'll compare Primeverse versus Protrader and explain why Primeverse stands out as the better all-in-one solution for modern traders. Quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and nothing in this video should be considered financial advice. This content is for educational and informational purposes only, so always do your own research before investing. So today we're comparing two trading platforms, Primeverse and Protrader. Both platforms target serious traders, but they approach trading very differently. One focuses mainly on trading infrastructure, while the other builds a complete ecosystem for traders. So in this video, we'll compare platform experience, trading tools, education, automation, support, and overall value for traders in 2026. First, let's talk about what these platforms actually are. Protrader is mainly known as a multi-asset trading technology platform designed for brokers, banks, and professional trading firms. It focuses heavily on infrastructure, algorithmic trading, and multi-market access. If trading feels confusing and inconsistent, maybe you just need a clearer direction. Let me introduce the Signaler.com, a signal service focused on delivering precise, well-structured trade ideas without unnecessary noise. Here's what you can expect. Carefully prepared trade setups, exact entry, take profit and stop loss levels, straight to the point market insights, signals built around discipline and risk control. No exaggeration, no overtrading, just calculated opportunities based on analysis. Even better, they provide a 7-day free trial so you can evaluate the signals yourself before making any decision. Stay focused, follow structure, trade with the plan. Try the Signaler.com today. Now, let's continue with the video. Primeverse, on the other hand, is built more as a complete trading ecosystem for retail and advanced traders. It combines live trading, AI tools, verified signals, copy trading, education, analytics, and trading lifestyle benefits inside one platform. So right away, Primeverse feels much more modern and beginner friendly. One thing I noticed immediately is the user experience. Protrader looks very technical and is clearly designed for experienced traders or institutions. It has a lot of advanced features, but for many beginners, the interface can feel quite overwhelming. Primeverse feels much cleaner and easier to navigate. The dashboard is modern, mobile friendly, and organized in a way that makes trading simpler for everyone. They also support web, Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, which makes trading seamless across devices. So for overall accessibility and ease of use, Primeverse definitely wins here. Now, when it comes to education and community, this is honestly one of the biggest differences. Protrader mainly focuses on trading technology, but Primeverse goes way beyond just providing a platform. They include live coaching sessions, daily trading, market breakdown, AI analytics, trading psychology, and even performance tracking tools. Primeverse also supports structured learning from beginner to advanced. As you can see here, we start off on the systems and application, and then it goes beginner, introduction, and to advanced. So instead of only giving users charts and execution tools, Primeverse actually helps traders grow, and it does that with this structured learning from beginner to advanced institutional concepts, which is great for traders trying to improve long term. Now, we also have AI and automation, and this is where Primeverse becomes really impressive. Primeverse includes AI powered scanners. We've got signal systems, trade analytics, and copy trading automation. So you can see down here that we have the Oracle tracker, the analytics and AI coaching. They even have PrimeSync, which can automatically mirror trades which control settings. And that is just here. Protrader does offer algorithmic trading and automation tools through Algo Studio and C-hash compatibility, which is powerful for developers, but for the average trader, Primeverse feels far easier to use because the AI tools are already integrated into the platform. So instead of building systems from scratch, users can immediately access ready-to-use trading tools. Now, with support and trust, Primeverse also emphasizes 24/7 multilingual support with segregated client funds, personal account managers, and fast execution. They also mention regulation and licensing information publicly on their website. Meanwhile, Protrader is more focused on being back-end infrastructure for brokers rather than a full retail trading experience. So if you value customer support and a trader-focused experience, Primeverse feels more complete. So overall, both platforms are powerful in their own way. Protrader is better suited for institutions, brokers, and highly technical algorithmic traders. But for most modern traders in 2026, Primeverse offers a much more complete experience. You're not just getting a trading platform. You're getting AI tools, education, live trading, automation, analytics, copy trading, and a full trading ecosystem all in one place. So personally, I think Primeverse is the better choice for traders who want a smarter, easier, and more modern trading experience. If you want to check out Primeverse for yourself, I'll leave the official website below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which platform you prefer.